Hello guys, welcome to my page, welcome to my channel, Chief Baby Solomon, African Delicacy. Happy new month to everybody. Today in my kitchen I am making Nkwobi. I'm making Nkwobi, yeah. I have a cow leg, I have pomo, I have cow heads together in this pot. I've already cooked them before. I've cooked the cow leg, cow head, everything together, but I will still need to cook it again because I want the cow leg to be very soft. You understand? So I want it to be very soft. So I've already spiced them up. I put pepper, there's onion, there's chicken stock. Yes, so I will be covering this pot now and cook it for about 20 minutes. Yes, I will cook this pot for 20 minutes. Okay, here is Oba. I've forgotten the name in English. I've forgotten the name. So if you know the name, please write it on the comment section. I have 3 Oba here, fresh Oba. I have this is Ehu. I brought this one back from Nigeria. So I have Ehu. What else will I be needing? Yes, we'll be needing red oil. This is red oil. And we'll also need potash. We'll be needing this also. While the meat is cooking, I'll go ahead preparing my Nkwobi sauce. We'll be adding crayfish as well, okay? So let's go make the delicious Nkwobi. Okay, we step this aside. Okay, guys, this is the cow leg. So I'll add Mama, please come. Can you open this for me? Okay, I'll add crayfish on it. Enough crayfish. Then I'll add this. What else? I'll add Ehu. So put it together. This is very hot. Please, can you cover this? Okay. Yeah. spoon because it's hot. So once you mix all this together, remember I put salt. I've already put salt, put maggi, crayfish, onion. I will still top it up with onion again. Then finally I will be pouring this oil and potash mixture inside the pot just to turn all together. So but first of all, let me have a quick taste. It's nice. Okay. This is hot. Give me pepper. I need to add some pepper, okay? Just slice it. Cut it up. No, not that one. The
leak. Is the pot hot?
eh? Yes.
The pot is hot.
People where they are not become the same person. This body.
Ooh, my mommy can cook.
Thank you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode.